So now that we basically have gone through the whole process flow of component creation, then linking the footprints with the schematic, exporting the schematic to a PCB board, then laying out the components, outlining, and then the board, routing the wires that need to be routed, and then bring in the dimensions, bring in the mounting holes, bring in the drill chart, and then generate the artwork files, the NC drill files, ready to be sent to the manufacturer. Now there are certain additional things that I'll talk about which you will need to do as part of this project. Number one is you need to put your name and your class name for which you are doing this project on the board as a silk screen so that it's visible, so we know one board from the other. The way that you do this is decide on a place on your board where you want to put that information in, and then select this, which is called add text. When you click on add text, you will see there are several different information which is put out here. Now you need to put it in the silk screen, so it would be in board geometry, but it would be on silk screen top. And there what you will do is you will place the cursor and select text block 8. That comes out okay, and then for example put your name, then put your class, and let's say the name of the project, kind of like project 1, something like that, or whatever you prefer. If you want to give a fancy name to your board, then that works as well. So that is on this particular side. Now if you want to do this as a silk screen on the bottom layer as well, then you need to keep two things in mind. It is possible to do that. Now first I need to do silk screen top, and I need to be done with it. So this is silk screen top. Then the same thing, if I want to add text to the bottom layer, what I would do is I'll select board geometry and then silk screen bottom. But remember, if this is the bottom layer, I need to mirror it before I write it down. So let us say on the bottom layer I'll put the information here. So same thing, just the name, say for example, is what I want to put in there. So like that. It looks odd, but that is because we are looking at this board from the top view. If we want to see how it appears on the other side, we can use this. We can flip the design, and if you see it now, you can see that on the bottom side, when you flip the board, it will be visible the right way. So we flip it back to the top view, and that's how it is. So again, we save the design, and do remember, if you make any change to the PCB board, you need to go through the whole process of generating the artwork. Now if you have already made sure that you have all these in here, you just need to select all of these and do a create artwork. There is nothing else that you need to do. And then also to create the NC drill file, also you have to repeat that process. So that is one thing. Proceed on to the next video to see how you can change stuff on the schematic and then propagate the changes to an already existing board on the PCB side.